Hi, this is Panchali on behalf of Srimoy, again coming with a new video. As it is Tuesday, it's the date for sari video, and as festive season is coming in, you know all that I will show different variety will be there. Some models will be there, some pure model silk ajrak will be there, some pure weaving pure Pachampalli double ikat will be there, some cottons must be there, and some pure silks will be there. Resham kota is also there. Okay, starting with pure modal silk first, and the booking procedure you know all. It is same as usual that you have to make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156411. Starting with pure modal ajrak. These are not at all any printed silk. These are pure modal raw vegetable dyed, and for that reason only these are very classy. Actually, the one and only word is applicable for them is that they are classy. Okay, pure modal ajrak vegetable dye. The first one I'm showing first the blouse piece. Okay, this is the blouse piece. The first one, it is a color. What can I say? It is navy blue is there, maroon is there. All are vegetable dyed, and see the lagdi patta is there also. See, this is the palla. Okay, this is the palla. This will be the whole body. Okay, you know the modal silk always body hugging. The piece which I am wearing, it's also modal. I will show you this variety also. And this one, it is its blouse piece, near about more than I think 0.80 meter will be the blouse piece, and the look will be like this. I have the same vegetable dyed piece in my wardrobe, and I like it a lot. 3950. 3950 for this beautiful piece. This is the first one. I'm showing you closely. See, this is the first one. Okay, modal. Pure modal vegetable dyed ajrak. This is the first piece. Moving towards the second one, it's again in stock. It was actually the same piece. I restocked it because I think this block is really beautiful. It is blue. What blue I can't explain you, but it's a pure modal ajrak. See, this is the piece, and whole look will be like this, and the blouse piece will be running. It will be, this will be the running blouse piece. Okay, this is the second one. And please, the booking for puja will be closed within 25th of September. Okay, after that, outside West Bengal, it's not been possible to reach on time. So, booking for only puja. You can book for after puja, you can easily book, but at that time actually the booking will be closed for a few days. So, all the booking, please complete it within 25th of September. Okay, this is the third one, the green model, exceptionally bright and beautiful. See, first I am showing you the blouse piece. This will be the blouse piece, and this is the body of the sari. What a beauty! See, this is the 3950, and shipping, this for the case of this modal silk, the weight will be more than 600 gram, so it will be 130 in case of modal, but for pure silk it will be within 300 to 400 gram, and it will be within one shipment, that is within 90. All over India you can easily get it. Okay, this is the third one, and four models are there, and four are different from each other. The next one, all are this lagdipatta style actually. The fourth one, maroon, navy blue, green is there, green yellow combination is there, and another ajrak. Four different varieties are there today. Just have it. This is the maroon one. I am showing you closely. These are, you can easily wear. It's not only for festive. I think those who are in working profession, those who have to attend meeting, just wear it, and for whole day you will be very good looking as well as body hugging. This is the piece modal. Okay, that's for modal today. Moving towards pure modal badhni, and this is pure badhni. And how it comes, I'm showing you. After you iron it, then it will be in its the way which I am wearing. It will be like that. Dry wash for all these pieces. It's not for home wash or machine wash. These are always, in case of pure silk, dry wash must pure badhni. You know that the, see, this is the palla, pure badhni model, and the blouse piece will be in running, but this badhni will be there and all over the body. This is the actual way that it is badhni. You can understand by these. Okay, this is the first one, badhni pure model. These are comparatively low in range, 2950. 2950 for the first badhni. Two colors are there. One is red, now available, and for other colors you have to make pre-booking by paying the amount, and I think if it is available within 5 to 6 days, it will be dispatched. Okay, the next one, it is again another badhni, 2950. It's beauty. Royal blue is the color. See, this will be the raw badhni. Actually, this is the raw modal silk badhni. See, all over the same. The blouse piece will be running, and there will be just actually they are in stock. Okay, now moving towards pure weaving Pachampalli. Many of you are aware of this type of sari. These are actually, what can I say, these are festive as well as very much aristocrat, too much aristocrat. Yes, these are costly always, you know. Pachampalli double ikat always costly when it is pure, and this one is pure one. Okay, I am first, I will not open fully, but I have to open a single piece, otherwise I will not, it will not be. Yes, see, two colors I have right now. One is white with pure Pachampalli. See, this is the palla. I have to show it. See, double ikat pure Pachampalli, 12800. 12800. I think you have an idea about pure one. See, and this will be the full blouse piece with pure Pachampalli, full weaving, and this will be the look. Okay, 12800. Another color for the same variant is there. It is white, just the opposite of the previous one. Always comes in a this type of folded manner. Just beauty. Those who want to have a costly but a good sari in this festive season, just try for it. See, this is the piece, double ikat pure Pachampalli. Okay, this will be the palla, and the blouse piece will be running and with the same weaving as that in the palla. Okay, now moving towards our very own pure Murshidabad 3-ply silk, of course with silk mark will be there, and it's a beautiful color. The picture of it is not come on the same way as it looks. I have to show it fully. It's not only for aged, it's for all age. I think this block is for all age. See, the body color is tasar color is the body with fuchsia pink border will be there, sleek border in both sides, and this is the block. Flower block print is there. This is the full palla. Okay, and the blouse piece will be on same as the palla, and it's actually patli pallu in style. The pleats will be in this flower block, and the whole look of the sari will be like this. Isn't it beautiful? 4350 for this beautiful piece. Moving towards another beautiful 3-ply Murshidabad silk again. It is of the range of again 4350, again hand block, table dye with hand block actually. These are all 3-ply. I am repeatedly mentioning it. Exclusive piece it is because the block is something uncommon. The body will be in this white on which fish block is there. This is one side of the border, and another side whole there in the whole sari. Here sleek border is there in blue with green, fish block is there. Here again royal blue border, then this block, then comes this red border, a stripe, a very smart one, a smart piece. Okay, this will be the palla with multicolor, and the blouse piece will be with this sea green with unusual combination of sea green with this pure green with fish border will come. Okay, and the look, full look, and actually this is half pattern, half up to your plates. This block will come, and from plates this sea green color will be the main color, body color, and the lower part will be like skirt border, and this will be the look. See, isn't it beautiful? 4350 for this beautiful piece. Okay, now moving towards another beautiful silk, as puja is coming, also Navratri as well as many festivals are there to come. So I am concentrating on silk, and semi silk pieces will be there today. A number of semi silk, taat as well as our pure original khadis always in stock. If you want to order from them to gift your nearby near ones, then you can ask me, I will provide pics. This is a batik. Actually, Bishnupur silk as well as Murshidabad silk, they are famous for their batik actually. And this is pure multicolor batik, again in Patli Pallu style. This will be the plates in multicolor batik. I am showing you closely. This is the plates. Very smart but traditional. This will be the plates. This is the whole look. Orange is the body color. See, this is the palla, and the blouse piece will come with the same body color with this border. Okay, 4450, 4450 for this beautiful one. Now moving towards some semi silk, and then again I will show few pieces of cottons will be there. The first one, it is one of the necessary pieces for Durga Puja, and all you can easily wear it in any puja related. These are semi Gorod. Actually, pure Gorod, Tasar Gorod, those are exceptionally high in prices. These are semi Gorod. The look will be like Gorod, and the texture and fall is very good. This, see, blouse piece will be there running. This is the palla, and whole body this traditional both side velvet like border is there, and all over the sari this kolka motifs are weaved. These are weaved, not at all any print. These are weaved. Okay, both side. These are actually puja special. 1250, only and only 1250 for this beauty. For puja purpose we need this type of sari a lot. I think you should have this type of sari in your wardrobe. Moving towards some mulberry silk. Mulberry semi silk, of course. Pure mulberry are always they are. The first color, it's a beautiful color. It's a, what can I say, off white, or you can call also the pure raw tasar color, you can call it. The fall is exceptionally beautiful, and these are not that quality of low price range qualities are not that. I'm showing you all over the body. Blouse piece is attached with, which is in brocade, and all over the saree. I think with this, if you wear a red blouse, how it looks, I think it will look just beautiful. See, mulberry silk, semi mulberry silk, actually I should call it. 2350, 2350. This is the first color. uh, on same price range, another mulberry silk is there, and the third one will be lower in range. I will show two types of variety today in case of mulberry. See, this is another 2350. See, I'm not opening it fully. All over this weaving is going on. Okay, this is the piece all over. The color is peach, and with this the blouse piece will be this same. These are, I think, for festive season, this type of sari you can have in your wardrobe. The third one, it is a little bit low in range. It is in the range of 1850 because of its quality, but it's good. It's not that it is too light, or but the quality wise the previous two are very good in quality. Okay, this is the third one. What a color! Bottle green is the color. Mulberry semi silk is this. This is the palla. All over the body this weaving pattern is going on. I will show you the back so that you have an idea about its weaving. See, this will be the blouse piece. It is attached from here, and this is the back of the sari. Full weaving. Okay, 1850 for this one. Now moving towards a beautiful piece. It is Patola Paithani, semi silk, of course semi silk, not pure Paithani. I know all of you know that this is Patola Paithani semi silk, but the quality wise this sari is exceptionally heavy. It is near about 600 to 800 grams, and the beauty of it is it can be your festive wear, it can be your for your upcoming wedding season special. All over the body this is not print, all over patola is weaved here, and both border, three colors are there. I will show you all the three colors. In both side paithani border is there, and this is the palla. See, full paithani palla is there, and this patola is weaved. See, this is the part of the patola. Okay, full patola paithani is the piece. Navy blue is the color, and another beauty is here for this beautiful piece, that is it has a fully this type of jacket style blouse piece is there. You can make a beautiful blouse with this type. This will be the back for your blouse, and this will be the border. Paithani border will be there, and Paithani back will be there with this beautiful piece, and the full look of the sari all over. This is the look. It's beautiful. 2950. Only and only 2950. I think in this range, this type of sari, it's really beautiful. Moving towards its two more colors are there for this beautiful one. The second one, a beautiful yellow with fuchsia pink, bright combination, and again it has its own separate blouse is there. I will show you also. With jhalar is there in the palla. It's a bit, if you have to attend any haldi, just wear it. I think you will be the center of attraction. See, a beautiful this type of all over patola weave with both side paithani border. In both broad border is there. This will be the palla. It has its own striped blouse piece. The previous one also has it. Again, this separate jacket style blouse is there, and see how long the blouse piece is. You can make easily 3/4 blouse with it. See, this will be the jacket style. Just a minute. Yes, this will be the back. Okay, and this border will be with this Paithani border will come. Okay, it's a beautiful piece with all the three colors actually. 2950. The third one, it's magenta in color, magenta with fuchsia pink. I try to show all those bright combination because these are festive special, and so I think bright combinations will look more beautiful. See, this is the third color. What a color! Magenta all over patola weaved with both side broad Paithani border. This is the palla, and with full jacket style this blouse piece will come. This is the third one. 2950 is the price for this one. Now moving towards some linen. Linen means today first I will show you plain linen. Plain means 100 count, 100 by 100 count linen, and then 2-3 semi linen will also. Previously I showed many linens, and if you want to have this type of pure linen in your wardrobe, you can WhatsApp me. I will give you the picture. This is Madhubilata weaved all over pure organic 100 by 100 count linen. Linen Jamdani Madhubilata. No black is there, so for festive season you can easily see. This is the palla. Okay, this will be the blouse piece. Navy blue is the color in both side, all over the sari. This Madhubilata is weaved both side, all over the sari. This fuchsia pink sleek border is there, then a zari border is there. Full, I am showing you the texture. This is the texture for pure linen, that is 100 by 100 count linen. This is in the range of 2650. 2650. See, it's a beauty, and it has its own 100 by 100 count linen always has a wet. It will not be wetless. Okay, this is the piece. 2650 is the price. Moving towards some semi linen, that is Bhagalpur linen, cotton linen you can also tell this these. Linen batik, Bhagalpur linen batik, that is here the percentage of cotton is 80% cotton and 20% linen. Two piece I will show today. Many of them I showed previously. This one, those who have no problem with black, this is multi-color badhani, black batik. On black is the main body color on which multi-color batik is done. Bhagalpur linen, very much for office wear. You can easily try it. Tie and dye is done on palla as well as in blouse piece. Very sober combination and very much unusual, I can say. This is the palla all over the sari. This badhani is going on. Sleek silver zari border is there in both end with multicolor batik. Okay, this is in the range of only and only 1450. 1450 is the price. This is the palla and tie and dye. This is the blouse piece. Beautiful piece. Another linen batik. Bhagalpur linen, of course, it's not pure linen. Bhagalpur linen cotton batik. It is in sea green is the color. The body color is sea green with white batik is done. The base color I am showing you. All both of them has blouse piece, and this is the second one. Okay, those who want to gift someone, those not too bright, for them, in the body mid portion cat batik is there, and in both side this type of batik is done with white. One is very bright and another is simple sober. Both of them I think you can wear as your office wear also. Actually, in festive days we have to attend offices, college, schools, all they are open till Mahalaya, not more than that. This will be the blouse piece. Okay, silver, sleek silver border is there. Body color is not plain white, it is crack batik, and in both end this type of border with batik is it. Again in the same range, that is 1450. Now moving towards another puja special, you can call semi silk. This is of course semi silk, low range. 980 is the only range weaving. The sari is weaving, but it's not that the weight, it's lightweight. Those who want to gift someone, for them this one is good. Okay, this is the palla. The palla, it's actually, the weaving pattern is like baluchori style weaving is this, all over. These are not at all printed, this all full sari is, but the quality fabric is semi silk. Okay, and blouse piece also there. Yes, white with this border will be there in blouse piece. This is the full body. Okay, 980 is the range. This is the palla. Okay, for puja special, this type of pieces you can have. Moving towards the next one, now I will show two pieces of uh, the number one I am showing. It is resham check on which pure hand Gujarati work is done. Actually, two piece I will show, both of them are Gujarati work is there. It is in the range of 2850, pure cotton resham check. It is not resham kota. I am mentioning it again and again. There is difference between resham kota and resham check. This is not at all kota. This is pure cotton resham check. See, all over the sari, this hand Gujarati stitch is done. Sleek border is there, and all over. This is the palla first, and all over the body color is beige. All over with multicolor. Red is there, black, little bit black is also there. Blue is also there. This is the full sari, look of the sari, and with this beautiful, this type of Gujarati embroidered blouse piece is there. 2850 for this one. Now moving towards another piece of Gujarati embroidery, I have to show another one was there. Just a minute. It's again resham check. Both are different from each other. The previous one, small buttas are there, and here also Gujarati stitch on resham check, not resham kota, red and black. The magic combination. This is the look I'm showing you. Extremely soft. Just wear it all over the day. No, it's not like that it will. See, what a beauty. 2850. Full hand Gujarati work is there in palla, and all over the body in both sides. Gujarati border is there with all over up to pleats, and after pleats it's like skirt border all over the sari. This Gujarati hand embroidery is going on 2850, and with this beautiful blouse piece also there with mirror work. The blouse piece also has mirror work in it. Now moving towards some cotton. And then last I will show few pieces for gift also. Today in cotton I will show you pure khadi cotton ikat weaving. Three pieces I will show in the same manner, pure khadi cotton one. 1250 is the range. The price is going to be higher within few days again. It's already jumped. See, black, white, red. Three colors are there with a beautiful navy blue touch is there, which makes it more different. See, all over the sari. These are not at all print, fully weaved. 1250. Blouse piece will be, I am showing you blouse piece also there. See, this is the look of the sari. The blouse piece will be in navy blue. That's the beauty. Blouse piece is in navy blue, which will make it little different. Okay, 1250 for this beautiful. Moving towards the next one. Today I will show few pieces of pure Pachampalli double ikat cotton. Okay, as festive season is here, so I will try, you know all that these double ikat cottons are always costly. These are in the range of 3500. In last video I showed a piece. That will be again in stock within few days, and today three pieces I will show, all are different from each other. Double ikat cotton, pure Pachampalli double ikat cotton, blue, white, red, and in all three full weaving is done. Full weaving. See, this is the palla all over the body. It has its own beauty. I think those who like ikat, they can just, this will be the piece. 3500 will be the range. Shipping will always extra. Shipping is not included within the price. You have to pay shipping separately. The next one, it is again 3500. It's green with blue. The last day I showed a black red combination, I think. That was also beautiful. See, this is green all over. The patterns are different. In all the pieces, patterns is different. Okay, green all over Pachampalli ikat with both sides this sleek border. This is different. The weaving pattern is different from that of the previous one. Okay, this is the palla, and the blouse piece will be again in contrast, that is in blue. This will be the blouse piece all over Pachampalli double ikat is this. That is 3500 is the range. The last double ikat for today, this will be blue with red. The combination is blue with red. All are, I think, if you are cotton lover, just go for this type of sarees in festive season. It can be one of your choice. All over ikat weaving is there. This is the palla, and the blouse piece will be separate red. Ikat weaving 3500 is the price. Now I want to show you few pieces of gift special. You can give. These are semi silk. 3 piece I will show you today. These are in the range of 680. This is semi pashmina. These are called. Actually, the block print is same as that of our Murshidabad silk blocks, but not at all pure silk. These are fully artificial silks are these, and all over this block is going on. Just it will look that it is pure silk. It will, the look will be like that. Blouse piece is also there. This will be the palla. Okay, 680, only and only 680. The second one, same variety. I will not open all the pieces. This is green with orange combination. Actually, without showing you the palla, it's difficult. See, this will be the saree. Green with orange combination. Beautiful. Okay, 680, only and only 680. For gifting purpose, I think this can be your choice. The third one, it's what can I say? Steel green, steel with greenish shade. This is the color, and I have to open. See, with red, and this will be, these are called semi silk, semi pashmina also called some of them. Actually, it's not at all any silk, not pure silk. Actually, silk of course, semi silk, but not pure. See, this is an unusual color. See, this is the body color. With this will be the palla, and blouse piece will be running. The color is a mixture of steel with green. A dual tone is there. The last 2 piece I want to show. These are good for gift purpose. These are Taj Jamdani. Taj Jamdani full hard. These pieces are hard always, and all over weaving, of course, zari Taj Jamdani. 1250. 2 to 3 colors are there. This is yellow with a beautiful mauve combination. All over this, no blouse piece is there for this type of sarees. This is the palla. Okay, and 2 more colors are there for the same piece. Colors are different, and the pattern is also a little bit different, but the main material is same. That is Taj Jamdani. For gifting, I think these are very good. This is the body color is creamish with, see, creamish white is the color with orange. both side this broad border will be there. This will be the palla, fully zari work, weaving. These are called Taj Jamdani 1250 is the range. The third one for Taj Jamdani and the last for today also. This is purple with all three are different combinations, and the looking is also, see, this color is tricolor, actually tricolor piece. See, green is there, light green with mauve and lemon yellow. Three colors are there. It's beautiful, just beautiful. And this will be the palla. Okay, for gifting purpose, these are just excellent. That's all for today. If you want to order, please make a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number 8910156441. Thank you.